Hey guys, are you wanting to buy best Sony cameras? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best Sony cameras are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in the description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at number 1. Sony A7 IV. A very powerful do-it-all camera at a sensible price. The Sony A7 IV pens in new tab signals a step up in ambition for Sony's vanilla 7 model. Traditionally, the Sony A7 has been the range's entry-level camera, with the R models adding resolution and the S models adding speed sensitivity. But there's nothing ordinary about the Sony A7 IV. And while it does technically supersede the A7 III, it's an altogether more advanced camera that, we think, targets a higher-level audience. Compared to the A7 III, the A7 IV is a major step up but in price as well as features. The A7 III will keep going for now, so it makes for a tricky buying decision, not helped by the A7 IV's patchy availability. If you see one, get it. At number 2. Sony A1. The Sony A1 opens in new tab is everything that Sony says it is. It's a technological triumph, a camera that really can do everything, and one of the best cameras for professionals. Previously, cameras might offer speed, resolution, or video capability, but the A1 offers all three, and even beats dedicated sports and video cameras at their own game. So is this the perfect camera? Not quite. The price is and will remain a significant obstacle, and its appeal is limited to photographers who need everything it does, not just one or two of those things. This, together with its fast price, prevents it from being further up our list. We couldn't have an article about the best Sony cameras without mentioning the A1, but would we recommend it as the best one to buy? Realistically, for 99 photographers out of 100, probably not. More recently, the Sony A1's position has been eroded by the arrival of the Nikon Z9 and Canon EOS R5C, both of which are cheaper. At number 3. Sony A7 III. The best affordable all-round Sony camera. It might not have the blinding speed of Sony's top-flight A9 II or the ultra-high resolution of the A7R V, but the Sony A7 III opens in new tab grabs many of the best bits from these pricier models and delivers them in a more affordable package. Headline features include a highly effective 696-point AF system and a 5-axis image stabilization system that promises 5 EV of compensation. There's a 24.2 MP back-illuminated image sensor, coupled with the latest generation of the image processor, and the two deliver excellent tonal range and make super high ISO settings possible. Handling is good, though some may find the body a little small when paired with pro lenses, which applies across the alpha range. For the top performance at a sensible price, we think it's the best priced Sony camera out there, though for stills photographers, the older Sony A7 III opens in new tab is also very tempting and cheaper. At number 4. Sony A7 IV 61 megapixels, 8 Kelvin video, 10 feet shooting, and revolutionary AI/AF. Technically overwhelming, physically underwhelming, that's how the A7 V feels. The camera body feels too small or not tall enough in the body for the big pro lenses you'll be using with it, and the controls follow a generic layout rather than being adapted to this camera's strengths. You can customize the buttons endlessly to suit the way you work, but that takes time and also a good memory for which button you've customized to do what. Technically, the A7 V is stunning. With 61 megapixels paired with new AI subject recognition, AF is remarkable, both for its rapid identification and acquisition, and its very sticky tracking. The image quality is every bit as good as that of the A7R V before it. Sony says it's better, and the bigger buffer makes the A7 V much more effective for prolonged burst shooting. At number 5. Sony A9 Mark II. We're still amazed by its AF and its speed. To quote from our review, the Sony A9 II opens in new tab is the fastest, most ferocious full-frame sports camera we've ever used. This camera's blistering speed and autofocus performance are impressive and matched only by its phenomenal connectivity, which promises to be a game-changer for pro shooters. We would love to have seen Sony implement something akin to Olympus Pro capture feature so that you never miss the critical moment. However, if our most damning criticism is that the A9 II is too fast for us to keep up with, surely that's nothing but a mission accomplished for Sony. For professionals who need more than speed, however, the new Sony A1 opens a new tab, which edges ahead of the A9 II for sports photography, throws an 8 Kelvin video and 50 MP stills. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Until next time, I'll see you later.